This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 21 Interface II. This module discusses advanced features of interfaces in Java, building upon the basics covered earlier. It begins by introducing certain built-in interfaces such as iterator, clonable, serializable, and comparable, and explaining their functionalities. The iterator interface helps manage collections of objects through methods like next and remove. The clonable interface creates copies of objects, while serializable supports sending objects over a network by making them serializable. The comparable interface provides a way to compare two objects of the same class through comparator. When defining and implementing interfaces, a class must override and define each abstract method from the interface as public. Variables and members in an interface are public, static and final, and are initialized by values treated as global constants. Interfaces cannot have static methods, and unspecified methods default to public abstract. Interface members declared as final static and public can be used as global shared variables across classes. Interfaces enable Java's form of multiple inheritance, which is not supported for classes directly. Runtime polymorphism through interfaces will be discussed in the next module. An interface can extend multiple interfaces, but a class implementing multiple interfaces exhibits multiple inheritance of those interfaces. If interfaces have methods with the same signature, the class needs to override the method only once. However, if interfaces have the same variable declaration, it results in a compilation error. As program size increases, the possibility of errors also increases correspondingly. Exception handling allows creating robust, fault-tolerant programs by addressing errors proactively. Effective exception handling deals with errors arising from larger code sizes and higher complexities, teaching Java programmers how to develop robust programs capable of handling various exceptions. In summary, interfaces enable Java's multiple inheritance capability, and their members become global variables across classes. A class can implement any number of interfaces but can extend only one class. Effective exception handling makes programs fault-tolerant, a key concept that will be covered in detail. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.